Ginger Feed presents 5 facts about winter. Number 1. You may be shocked to realize that in the northern side of the equator, the Earth is nearest to the Sun amid winter. On January 2, 2016, the Earth achieved perihelion, where the Earth is 3.1 million miles closer to the Sun than at aphelion. Earth's separation from the Sun is not what causes the seasons, but rather it affects the length of them. Around perihelion, the Earth is moving around 1 kilometer for every second faster than at aphelion, which brings about winter being 5 days shorter than summer. Number 2. Winter is dangerous. The coldest temperature ever recorded during a UK winter was minus 27.2 degrees Celsius, which was recorded in the village of Braemar in the Scottish Highlands, and it gets worse the lower you go. The same temperature has been recorded twice, first on the 11th of February 1895 and again on the 10th of January 1982. The human body's natural temperature is 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit. Mild hypothermia sets in at an astounding 95 degrees. And at those temperatures, if you're not careful, can most definitely be detrimental to your health and possibly kill you. Number 3. The winter of 1963 is one of the coldest on record and the coldest since 1740. Temperatures consistently achieve lower than 20 degrees Celsius with tempests, snow floats, and even the ocean solidifying around the coast. The serious cool started just before Christmas in 1962 as a high-pressure framework sat toward the northeast of the UK for a significant part of the winter, dragging icy polar winds over the UK. On the 29th and 30th of December, roaring snowfall hit the UK with snowdrifts up to 6 meters deep. Snow kept on falling continuously, and up until March 1963, a significant part of the UK stayed covered in snow. Number 4. We all consider the reindeer a legendary animal that flies Santa Claus around the world to drop off presents. However, they are real. They may not fly, but they are very intriguing. Some reindeer living over the Arctic Circle live in complete darkness for a few weeks of the year. To adjust to this, a little area of tissue behind the retina called the tapetum lucidum changes shading from a gold glimmer in the summer months to a blue in winter. This permits the reindeer's eyes to recognize UV light and to see clearly. Number 5. There are 2 distinct dates when winter could be set to start, contingent upon whether we are alluding to the meteorological or astronomical winter. Winter, characterized by the Earth's circle around the Sun, starts on the winter solstice, which falls on the 21st or 22nd of December. In any case, when recording and looking at atmosphere information, it is imperative to have set dates that can be thought about. Thus, we have settled on the 1st of December to stamp the beginning of the meteorological winter. Alright, thanks again for watching another amazing video, and please remember to hit the subscribe box for many more.